Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about Postmates versus DoorDash. It's February 10th, 2020, so I'm going to update this video because I did one before, but it's super outdated, and Postmates and DoorDash have made some significant changes to the way they run their businesses now. So, first off, I've been doing Postmates for about 2 years and DoorDash for a little over a year now. And personally, I would prefer DoorDash, but I do both of them still. About a year ago, I was making close to about 60% to 40% more on DoorDash, so 60% on DoorDash, 40% on Postmates, but now it has changed quite a bit. I want to say I'm making 90% on DoorDash to 10% on Postmates, and that's for a few reasons. So whenever I'm logged in, I only do Postmates while I'm doing DoorDash because Postmates by itself is terrible and you cannot rely on that for an income at all. But when I'm always logged into both at the same time. Postmates, they don't give you the guaranteed order. They just basically give you a $3 pay plus tip, and you don't know if you're going to get tipped. So especially for lower end restaurants, you're not going to make very much money. But it is nice every once in a while you do see a big tip on Postmates. However, on DoorDash, they tell you exactly how much you're going to make before you make it, and on top of that, you can get tipped even more. So just off the bat, DoorDash is going to be a secure, good way to make money. Postmates is kind of hit or miss, and really, I'm not trying to be missing and driving around. It's not worth your time. DoorDash, they're going to tell you exactly how much you make. So right off the bat, you know how much you're going to make for how many miles you're going to drive. Postmates doesn't even tell you how many miles you're going to drive. You can get an estimate because they'll give you the pinpoints on the map so you know where you're going to go. But really, you don't actually know, and Postmates really pays really shitty for how much you drive. I want to say I make no more than $5 on a 10-mile order, and that's not good at all. That's without the tip though. So just off the bat, DoorDash is going to be a lot better. Postmates, the only good thing about it is you can be logged in at any time. DoorDash, you have to actually go and get your shifts. However, that's also the better part about it, because if you are doing DoorDash, you're going to be getting dashes. On Postmates, you could be sitting around all day and not get any Postmates orders because there's so many people logged in. It's like comparing McDonald's to a higher end restaurant, you know. Postmates just I think they just need to rearrange the way they do their things, and I think they're really falling behind on the DoorDash or the delivery services. They started up on top and now they've just crashed down, and it's getting worse and worse. Typically I make about $500 per week on DoorDash, and I want to say I do about 3 to 4 hours every day on DoorDash. Usually comes out to about $75. On Postmates, I'll make $5 to $10. Granted, I don't take most Postmates orders because if I'm doing Postmates, I'm also doing DoorDash, and really it's not worth taking the risk of doing a Postmates order if you can get a better DoorDash order and get that guaranteed pay. So those are some of my tips, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm going to be doing a few more of these videos coming up soon, so if you're a delivery driver, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.